This is a level 1 strength exercise looking at the forwards motion of your shoulder. Again, you should do this for 8 to 12 repetitions. Attain a wide base of support in your legs and stand close to the wall. Your elbows should be tucked in and your arms are going to be moving forwards up the wall. As you slide, you're going to pull out onto the towel or pillow, as you can see in this movement, and then slide back down again, keeping contact with the wall on your forearms. So take a pull with good tension on the pillow and then slide your arms up the wall, keeping that tension. If you're managing to do more than 12 repetitions comfortably, then you can do this with a resistance band. It's important to maintain that outwards pull and tension on the pillow as you slide. So this is a level 2 strength exercise working on the forwards motion of your shoulder. With this exercise we're also going to involve movement of your lower body. So as you perform the exercise you're going to step with your foot. So using a resistance band around your wrists, you're going to raise the band forwards and up as you step forwards. Alternate the foot that you step with, and again this should tire you after 8 to 12 repetitions. If it's not, then you should go up a resistance band. This should be a smooth, controlled motion, as you can see in the video. So this is a level 3 strength exercise working on the forwards motion of your shoulder. It's very similar to the level 2, but this time you're going to be stepping up on your bottom step as you reach forwards. Again, you'll be using a resistance band around your arms and you should be managing 8 to 12 repetitions. If you can manage more than this, then you can use a heavier resistance band. Again, this should be done with a smooth control.